Hello everybody on this super choppy day and the fourth episode of waste management. Yes, um, everybody loves magic, everybody loves colors. Yes, so today I'm going to tell you about a story on the magical pencil bag. And who doesn't love pencil bags, isn't it? So let's hear the story about the pencil bag. That is a magical pencil bag. So once upon a time, there lived a boy named Kittu. He loved colors, but unfortunately, he had no money to buy colors. His parents had a small tea stall shop and they used to get meager money. Kitu believed in God Fairy Mother because his grandmother told him magical stories about God Fairy Mother, and she also said that God Fairy Mother helped those children who have a pure heart and innocent mind. That whole day, Kittu kept praying to the God Fairy Mother. God Fairy Mother, listen to me. God Fairy Mother, please listen to me. But nothing happened. The whole day he kept praying and nothing happened. So he got tired and soon it was night and he went off to sleep. While he was sleeping, he saw something in a dream, a bright light, and someone coming through that bright light and stood in front of him. And it was God Fairy Mother. She said, "Hello, Kittu. I know you prayed and you love colors. Don't worry, today I have something for you. I have always seen that you are a good boy and have never found you hurting anyone. You every time try to keep everyone happy. So I have a gift for you today." And she moved her magic wand and gave him a pencil bag. She moved and she moved that magic wand and this something magical came there, and Kittu thought, is this something that I prayed for? Is this something that grandmother said that fairy mothers help the good kids? And God Fairy Mother said, "Yes, Kittu, you are right. I love you so much." And she said, "This is a magical pencil bag with pencils, eraser, cutter, ruler, and different colors, Kittu." And she said, "Do you love colors? So these colors you keep coloring, but it will never end." So this is the magic. This was the magic about the magical colors, that if he kept coloring, it will never end and he can color infinite. Suddenly something happened and he opened his eyes and it was morning. He was dreaming. So do you think whatever he saw in the dream was true? Now what happened? The sun rays fell on something beside his pillow and it was a pencil box. Yes, it was a pencil box. And Kittu was so surprised. So is this the pencil box that I saw in the dream and fairy mother came and gave it to me? He quickly opened the pencil box and saw, yes, everything was there: pencil, rubber, cutters, and those never-ending magical colors in that magical pencil box. "Oh yes," Kittu said, "Fairy Mother loves me." Since there, Kittu kept painting and he finally became a painter and sold his paintings in the market and helped his family with the money that he earned. So in this way, whenever we earn something, we get something, we can share. Um, so I said it's a waste management, and today I have a bag. So I think so. Everyone has this bag in the that you get from the market. Everyone has the tissue bag. Nowadays, plastic bags are not in use to protect the environment. We have this bag that is environment friendly. So what we are going to do, we are going to make a pencil bag from this. And how? You need to cut this portion, the handle. For that you need a pair of scissors. Cut it. And once you cut it, you will get something of this kind. Okay, now you have to just let this be like this. Okay, and fold it from between. You will have a strong pencil bag. Now what you have to do, you have to stitch these two sides. So take a needle and thread and stitch the sides. Take smaller stitches so that, or you can even use sewing machine. It will be easier and the stitches would be stronger. Use the similar process the other side, that is this side. And cut the thread. Now you have to turn the back so that these stitches won't be seen. And see, you'll get a bag like this. See, such a beautiful, strong, square shaped bag, so spacious. Now take a chain. If you have any bag that is not in use now, you can pull out a chain from there. Again, waste management. Pull out a chain from there and use it for this bag. Now you have to stitch it. So take this portion. See, this portion would be up. And you have to stitch it here. So once you finish this side, just cut the thread and stitch the other side of the chain. In a similar way. Again, you can use sewing machine for fine stitches. So once this portion is also stitched, just cut out the thread. And remember to stitch these both sides, because if it will be still left like open, so, and things may fall out. And it's done. Cut the extra thread and see the pencil box. The pencil bag, the magical pencil bag. Sure. And you can keep whatever you love. Papers, pen, colors. And you know, these bags could be used not only by kids. Mothers can use, fathers can use. There are different pouches that you need. So our red and beautiful magical pencil bag is ready. That Kittu got by the fairy mother. And hope so you loved the session. Keep visiting my channel, Colorful Story Mind, the YouTube channel. I'm there on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram too. I'll provide you with the link. And I also want to tell you that through these activities and stories, I'm sure your kids are learning, parents are learning and benefiting. And these activities, as I said, stories and activities help children's cognitive, metacognitive, motor and psychomotor skills to develop, and it's helping to keep on going the art of storytelling. Okay, so now I'll take off. Meet you again. Bye.